Welcome back, car enthusiasts. If you love upgrading your ride with the coolest and most practical gadgets, you're in for a treat. Today, we're counting down 10 must-have car gadgets that will make your driving experience safer, smarter, and more convenient. From high-tech security solutions to game-changing accessories, these gadgets are designed to enhance every journey. Whether you're a daily commuter, a road trip lover, or just someone who enjoys keeping their car in top shape, there's something here for you. So buckle up and let's dive into the top 10 car gadgets you need in 2025. The Cube GPS Tracker is a versatile tracking solution for professional and personal use. Whether you're monitoring cars, fleet trucks, or trailers, this 4G LTE connected tracker provides live updates on location, speed, and movement through the Cube mobile app. With a secure magnetic base, it easily attaches to any metal surface, making installation quick and hassle-free. One of the benefits of this device is that it comes with an app for your phone, providing real-time location data and location history. You can set up virtual geofence zones, and the app will alert you whenever the device enters or leaves those zones. It's ideal for fleet management, asset tracking, and personnel tracking. You can use it to track your vehicle, place it in your luggage while traveling, or even keep it in your safe for added security, ensuring your valuables are always protected. The Viofo A229 Duo is the ultimate dual-channel front and rear dashcam, recording in Quad HD 1440p at 30 fps for both front and rear, ensuring clear footage from all angles. Voice notifications provide instant audio reminders of recording status, while the super slim coaxial cable allows for easy installation. Accident videos are automatically protected, and with 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you get 4x faster video transfers via the Viofo app for easy playback and downloads. The 140-degree front and 160-degree rear wide-angle lenses capture every detail on the road. The built-in GPS logger tracks speed, routes, and time, displaying real-time speed on the 2.4-inch LCD screen. Featuring 3 parking modes, auto event detection, time-lapse recording, and low bitrate recording, this dashcam ensures reliable performance, making it a top choice for drivers seeking premium protection. The AstroAI L7 tire inflator is a powerful, portable, and cordless air compressor designed for cars, motorcycles, bikes, and even sports balls. It features a dual-display LED screen and 4+N smart modes to meet different inflation needs. With rapid inflation in just 1.5 minutes, it delivers high-speed performance while remaining versatile for various applications. Weighing less than 1 pound, this compact device fits easily in your car, bike rack, or backpack for ultimate convenience. Beyond tire inflation, it also doubles as a power bank, ensuring your devices stay charged on the go. Equipped with a built-in flashlight, it offers SOS and strobe modes, making it an essential emergency tool. The 4,000 mAh battery lasts long enough to refill up to 8 tires on a single charge and includes auto-off functionality for a seamless, hands-free experience. Stay prepared on the road with the JUMPI 3-in-1 Jumpstarter, a Jumpstarter, charger, and vacuum in one compact device. It's the ultimate car companion, keeping you clean, safe, and connected no matter what the road brings. Dead battery? No problem. JUMPI jumpstarts your car in minutes. No dangerous jumper cables or another vehicle needed. Its low-voltage jump and reverse polarity protection make it the safest, easiest way to restart your battery. Simply attach the clamps, start your car, and go. JUMPI's high-powered cordless vacuum tackles dirt in every hard-to-reach spot, with quiet operation for a peaceful clean. The antibacterial handle and no-touch dirt disposal keep your hands germ-free. Need power on the go? JUMPI's built-in power bank charges your iPhone, Samsung, iPad, and more. Whether you're an Uber driver, road tripper, or busy parent, JUMPI is your must-have 3-in-1 car safety companion. The Leyoutime power share outlet transforms your Tesla Model 3 and Y into a portable power station, delivering reliable 5 kW power for camping, construction sites, and emergencies. Originally exclusive to the Tesla Cybertruck, PowerShare technology is now available for your Model 3 and Y, CSS-enabled. Charge other EVs and power essential devices with dual AC outlets, ensuring versatile energy solutions for any situation. Advanced security features include intelligent drive chips, secondary protection, and insulation resistance over 20 megaohms to prevent leakage. If power exceeds 5 kW, the system automatically shuts down for safety. Weighing just 6 pounds, this plug-and-play unit is easy to install and backed by a 12-month warranty. With Leyoutime Power Share, you unlock a new off-grid power experience for your Tesla. Over 800,000 auto break-ins occur yearly in the US, one every 36 seconds. Today we carry our most valuable items daily: phones, keys, wallets, laptops, and more. The boosted safe backseat car safe keeps your valuables secure, even when you leave your vehicle. Built from solid 16-gauge steel and weighing 15 pounds, it locks firmly to your back seat while disguising itself as a booster seat. A 3-digit, 2-pole lock and patent-pending ISOFIX latch technology ensure top-tier security. Once locked in place, it can only be removed from the inside. Designed to withstand car crashes, it protects your belongings even in extreme conditions. With a gunmetal powder coat finish, soft internal padding, and an optional theft deterrent booster seat cover, it blends seamlessly into any vehicle. Whether you're stepping out for a few minutes or heading on an adventure, Boosted Safe gives you peace of mind. Upgrade your driving experience with the WOLFBOX G900 touchscreen dashcam. Enjoy easy installation with the new USB Type-C interface. Its 12-inch IPS touchscreen with anti-glare processing offers a wider field of view than traditional displays. Featuring film-level 4K resolution in the front camera and 2.5K quality in the rear, it captures crystal-clear footage. The waterproof rear camera and Sony Starvis sensor deliver powerful image quality, enhanced by 4K plus 2.5K dual WDR and super night vision. Quick settings let you adjust the view and modify settings with ease. Stay safe and secure with reversing assistance, a wide-angle view, and multiple parking assist features. Plus, it includes fatigue driving reminders, 24-hour parking monitoring, video playback, and GPS tracking to keep you covered on every journey. Whether you're on the road or parked, the WOLFBOX G900 delivers smart, high-quality surveillance for your vehicle. Protect your little ones from harsh sunlight with the Munchkin Brica Sun Safety Car Window Roller Shade. Featuring the White Hot Heat Alert, it turns white when the car gets too hot, ensuring a safer ride. The shade also features Safe View Premium Mesh for superior visibility, reducing glare while maintaining a clear view. Additionally, there's a one-push retract button for easy roll-up when you're ready to install. The dual attachment system lets you choose between adjustable clips or suction cups for a secure fit. With a one-push retract button, rolling it up is effortless. For best results, clean the surface before attaching to maintain strong suction. Temperature changes may require occasional reattachment. Keep your car cool and comfortable with this easy-to-use, travel-friendly roller shade. Make your message stand out with the Apoium Programmable LED Sign, featuring ultra-bright RGB beads for a vivid, eye-catching display. Designed for cars, stores, hotels, and promotions, it offers customizable text, emojis, and animations via Bluetooth control. Easily program scrolling messages, choose colors, and add transitions with a user-friendly mobile app. Its flexible, lightweight design allows for easy storage without damage, while the durable polyurethane build ensures longevity. Effortless installation with strong double-sided tape. No suction cups required. The wide-angle visibility ensures your message is readable from a distance, making it perfect for food trucks, small businesses, and advertisers. Enhance your advertising with this dynamic LED display. Shield your car with the in-the-garage outdoor car cover, an inflatable car cocoon designed to protect against hail, rain, debris, and scratches. Its heavy-duty PVC panels are UV, fire, cold, and heat-resistant, ensuring year-round durability. Featuring dual high-power fans, it maintains continuous airflow to prevent condensation and keep your vehicle dry. The washable PVC floor guards against oil, grease, and antifreeze, while double-sided nylon zippers provide easy, scratch-free access. 6 welded D-rings ensure a secure fit, and a built-in window with a closable flap allows quick vehicle checks. Easy to set up in minutes, this outdoor car cover keeps your car safe, clean, and protected in any environment. And that wraps up our list of the top 10 must-have car gadgets. From smart security tools to game-changing accessories, these gadgets can truly upgrade your driving experience. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome car tech content. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Drive safe, and stay tech-savvy.